You don't run to DNA. You start from these small ones. What is the mother's blood group? So if we are asking you your blood group, we are looking at, is it A, is it positive or negative? As we will see later in this discussion, our major concern is Rhesus. So, Auntie KK have her own blood group. O positive. So you cannot just say O. If you say O, you have not completed the blood group. So the O has to be positive or negative. If she is O positive, it simply means that she has no antigen in her red blood cell. Then she has Rhesus factor. If you don't know, say you don't know. Don't just quote one thing. Man, no more wine I like any quote to something. What is her own? O positive. Ago kenkege. O positive. Go akwan. How is everybody opposite? Somebody must be A or B, or somebody must be negative. Yeah. Ago, what is your own? Be positive. There was somebody different. Be positive. So it simply means she have antigen B and she's positive. Now, our main concern now is when somebody becomes negative. So if a negative or O negative woman marries O negative man, I don't know if you understand. It is obvious that they will all have a negative baby. In that case, there is no need to fear. But if a woman is negative and the husband now is positive, then what will happen is that at the time of conception, the child might inherit positive from the father. So if the child is positive and the blood of the baby now mixed with the blood of the mother, usually during the delivery, the mother will start seeing that the positive antigen as an infection. But because the time the mother starts seeing it as an infection, the baby is already on his way out. Because when it usually happens is during delivery. The white blood cell of the mother will now bring some army. The next time this type of thing will happen, as no one can make it now free. Let's wait for another thing. This positive will come in. Now, if that woman is pregnant the second time and now have positive from the baby, I don't know if you understand. The white blood cell of the woman will start fighting that baby and will usually lead to miscarriage. What we usually do to prevent that is that after delivery, we will now give an injection. It's Rogam, anti-D. The essence of that injection actually is to make sure that the next baby that will come is protected. Is it clear? So when we are giving the anti-D injection, the anti-D injection is for the next baby. So sometimes the woman will come after delivering the third one or the fourth one. She will say she doesn't need the injection. Niamamuzi again. But the one is that she just came to deliver. She didn't plan to deliver it. It happened as a mistake. So the only time you can allow a woman not to take that injection is only when we have done bilateral tuber ligation. And we are very sure that this woman will not deliver again. Because the essence of that injection actually is to protect the next baby. Another thing about the blood group. Now, if a woman is blood group A and the husband is blood group A, now they can never have a baby that is blood group B. Not possible. So if a woman is blood group A and the husband is blood group A, they may have blood group O, no problem, but they can never have the other antigen. Now, if a woman is blood group O and the husband is also blood group O, it is not possible for them to have blood group A. It's not possible. But that one is what we use sometimes in DNA tests. You don't run to DNA. You start from these small ones. What is the mother's blood group? What is the father's blood group? Because if the mother is negative and the presumed husband is negative, and you check the blood group of the child is A, somebody must have tell us what is wrong.